Everybody, welcome back to the channel. And for those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. You guys, it's time for November's Ice Cream Beauty. I love this subscription. Been getting this for a few years now. It's been a really fun subscription, $25 a month. I have a referral link down below if you're interested and you don't already subscribe. So let's get in and see what they sent for November. It's always fun to see as they approach the end of the year and the holiday season, if anything is going to be super special or not. Apologies, you guys. I just got out of the shower. I decided not to put any makeup or anything on because when I'm done filming this, I'm going to be doing a nice face sheet mask because I was outside today, y'all. I live in Wisconsin and it was in the 70s today, and we are now getting storms. And the weather is going to go from the mid 70s. We are going to be dropping into the 30s overnight. And then into Friday, we're going to be seeing lows in the low 20s. So it is ridiculously crazy weather out there. It was so beautiful out, you guys. I had some time off, did a ton of stuff around the farm to prepare for winter, and freezing temperatures means the ground is going to be freezing, and so I pounded in some T-posts for our driveway for snow fence and did a little repairing of fences for the horses, and just a whole bunch of just what I would call housekeeping, just to kind of get things ready to go. So I think we're pretty ready, unfortunately, for winter. So let's get into this box. See what that rattle is. All right, here's my card. All right, it says, November, thank you. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. It says, wishing you a very happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for your support. Ice Cream Beauty. Sweetheart, if you're watching this, I can't read this. Is it team? Oh, team. It's very hard to read. It's at the bottom. Apparently I'm going blind because I could not figure out what team said. All right, this looks like, what is this? Okay, let's get the cheat sheet. Come Through Flawless. This is a makeup set, SPF 15. Apply the fine mist to the face to set makeup. So it's a setting spray. I do see the Leaping Bunny on here. It is ZeeSea Cosmetics. So let's see what that says. $25. Right now, first item out of the box is the price of the box, $25. So we're already off to a great start. Let's take this out, take a look at it. Is it taped? It is taped. Has a little safety sticker on it, you guys. There it is. Kind of peeling it off with my hands. It's a little egg. Very reflective, you guys. Here's what it looks like. There is some text on the front. You know, it says ZeeSea Cosmetics. There's a little sprayer right on the front here. I'm just going to go ahead and maybe spray it on my hand. Well, it came out all... I don't like setting sprays that do that. I really prefer aerosols because I don't want droplets of no scent to it that I could smell. I don't like droplets on my face to set my makeup because that's basically like spraying a lot of liquid on your face. But okay, maybe we'll give that a whirl. It's a nice start, $25. Okay, this looks pretty. It's a lippy. I like the look of this. This is Illuminati. These are so fun. I already love this shade. I can tell you I'm keeping this. Illuminati's Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss, $21. You know, pricey for lip glosses, but I already love the look of the... Okay, I am basically unscrewing through the safety seal. So... well, the applicator is broken, so not really very useful. That's disappointing. Yeah, I mean, I don't think that's an applicator. There's nothing on the end. I mean, it's goobing, but let's take a look at the color. It's disappointing. I can't imagine that you wouldn't at least have a doe on the end there. I like the color. I put a little bead right on my hand. Oh my God, did I just put it on my nose? Ooh, I like that. Oh, you guys, I love this. This is right up my alley. Super pretty. Oh, that's kind of disappointing. Am I the only one that got one with a no applicator? And it's just like a... Oh, it's really disappointing. I love the shade. It's so beautiful. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I can't imagine why. Grab my heartbreaker. It's so pretty. Well, I can't imagine anybody would sell lip gloss that doesn't have a doe-foot on it. But maybe I can make it work with it doing what it's doing. I'm not real sure. But I will contact them. Because, I mean, you guys, like, it's just strange. I've never seen one do that. That's just flabbergasting. Okay, well, that was $21. It really is worth nothing if you can't use it. Here's a brush. This is Cheeky Rose Beauty, and this is their blush brush. Picture, let's see here. Ooh, $36 for a blush brush. Wow. Not a lot on it other than out of Calabasas, California. That would probably explain the price. It's pretty. You know, I think I'll keep it. I'll add it to my collection. All right. I don't know that I would spend $36 on it in the store. I mean, honestly, that's asking a lot, especially with the economy the way it is today, but happy to get it. All right, we've got a Beached Blush, Beau Babe Beauty. This is what it looks like. $25, Beached Blush. Okay, ooh, and there's the shade. That's what it's supposed to look like. It does have a safety seal, little sticker, so I got that covered. Cut right through it. All right, very reflective gold. Nice reflection in there. Let's see this shade, Beached Blush. Okay. Does have a mirror. Ooh, I like that color. Has a shade saver. I like that color a lot. I think that's really pretty. I like that a lot. That's a great color. I already have a couple that are pretty close to this, so I'm not going to swatch it right now. I don't want to like set the clock ticking on getting anything dirty, but I like that. I am not unhappy to get that. Again, that's $25. That's also the price of the box. It seems a little expensive to me for blush. A little pricey. I think we may have another. What do we got here? Okay, a palette. Here's our palette. You always get a palette. Lash Step Matte About You. In an interesting little safety container here. 12 universal matte shades that are perfect for every day or night. Again, this one's right out of Calabasas. I do see the Leaping Bunny on this. Let's see the cost on this. $45. Let's open this up and see what we think of this $45 palette from Calabasas, California. If I can get it open. I don't really want to break my nail. Need to redo my nails, y'all. Okay. We're just gonna scissors into it. I don't want to break a nail. Okay, very pretty. There it is. Very reflective on the back. Again, I do see that Leaping Bunny. See if it says where it was made. Made in China. So this is a palette made in China. Let's see if this one says in the back. Looking at the blush. Made in China as well. Leaping Bunny on the blush as well, but made in China. So, a lot of cosmetics, y'all, is made over in China. Okay, there we go. I got it open. Ooh, it's a nude palette. I don't even like that. Something to cover it with. Well, I'm going to try my best, you guys, to cover the mirror so you don't get really reflected, but really very pretty mattes. So again, it's called Lash Step. All matte shades, all very neutral. Put my shade saver back on. I don't think I'll be keeping this. I do have a number of neutral palettes. So let's go ahead, you guys, and do a giveaway. We will definitely include this Lash Step palette in here. And why don't we go ahead and include the setting spray? You guys, I actually have a couple setting sprays, and I just don't know that I would use this for like a year. So we're going to include that. Let's do a little hidden giveaway. Quick rules will be, you need to be publicly subscribed to my channel. All right, you need to be an adult 18 years of age or older, and you need to have a U.S. mailing address. This will go in the U.S. Postal Service to the winner. The brand, none of these brands, nor is the box affiliated with this giveaway. This is coming through me, through my channel. Again, you have to have a U.S. mailing address anywhere in the U.S. that can get mailed. I will leave all the rules down in the description. Make sure you read through them, okay? You're going to need to leave a comment. I will be using a comment picker to pick the winner. So we need a word. Let's use, or words, plural. Let's use 2 words. Setting spray. Okay, because this is a setting spray. You need to leave it in sentence format, okay? Tell me a story, a couple of sentences, 1 sentence, 5 sentences, however you want to use it. But you need to use the words setting spray in order for the comment picker to find you and you to be entered, okay? I'm going to go ahead and put, like I said, down below all the rules. And at the bottom of the rules, you will find out when this will close, okay? I'm going to have to look at my calendar and figure out an appropriate date, okay? It'll probably be a couple weeks. And then we'll pick the winner. So I'm pretty happy with my box. You know, I love getting a palette. I always get a palette, okay? You always get a palette in this one. I just have a whole bunch of neutral palettes, and I don't need another one. I'm loving the blush. I'm definitely keeping the brush. Really disappointed that this broke. I will let them know. And, you know, if I didn't already, like I said, have a couple setting sprays on hand, I would keep this. But I do. I already have, you guys, I don't want to waste stuff. I already have a ton of setting spray on hand, 2 full bottles, and I don't want to waste that. So good luck, everybody. I appreciate your time. Let me know what you guys thought of this. I love the shade so much, and I'm like so super disappointed that this, like, this cannot be normal. Cannot be normal. So it's disappointing. It's so pretty. I just love the color so much. It is literally right up my alley. So beautiful. So, and I like it on my lips. So, all right, you guys, I appreciate your time. I hope you're having a great one. Have a great weekend, you all. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.